Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirees here in Thailand, and I'm just making this video to kind of just throw out some observations that I've made about the demography of what we're looking at in Thailand presently. And obviously, and this is February 2021, yeah, tourism is not where we would otherwise like it to be in terms of the general population of Thailand. It is probably as low as it's ever been, and I hope will ever be. But that said, an observation that, something that brought a notion to the forefront of my mind is, just demographically, the boomer generation is primarily retiring in the United States. A lot more retirees in Europe as well. Retirees may end up being the cornerstone of the future of the expat ecosystem, if you want to call it that, for Thailand. And retirees may be the folks that end up, and I know this seems like kind of sort of pontificating on the obvious. There's always been a lot of retirees in Thailand, but more my point is, it's not so much that there's always been retirees in Thailand. Yes, they're here. That's why the retirement visa exists. There's a large number of them here, in fact. It's more the fact that the younger folks, call them tourists, long stay tourists, whatever you want to call them, they are definitely down in substantial numbers. And for this reason, perhaps a reassessment of how retirees are treated in Thailand, not only at a bureaucratic level, but just sort of at a policy level, because it's my opinion, just having watched things the last roughly 8 months, retirees are really, what slack, and there's a lot of slack to be picked up, but what slack is being picked up in terms of the economy that pertained to tourism prior to March 2020, that slack is being picked up a lot by retirees primarily, or at least retirement visa holders. Now, whatever they're doing, they may not spend their whole time here, but they are spending a great deal of money here, and it's noteworthy and something that I think is worth pointing out, that maybe the future of the expat, again, ecosystem here is going to revolve more heavily around retirees than really any other age demography, at least for the foreseeable future.